Programs on All India Radio about the challenged persons, their rights, their achievements motivated a man to start an organization named Amar Seva Sangam.
Namaskar, I am Ramakrishnan. I hail from Aikudi near the famous Kuttaram Falls. When I was doing my fourth year engineering, I went for naval officer selection.
Born in an agricultural family, Mr. Ramakrishnan was all set to join the Navy after completing his bachelor's in mechanical engineering. But perhaps God had set far greater plans for this young man. During his fourth year, he fell down and sustained fracture dislocation of his cervical spine. With series of ineffective treatments, eventually Mr. Ramakrishnan had to accept the wheelchair life for the rest of his life. But rather than drowning into the darkness, the setback motivated this young man to look at life from a different perspective.
Normally, that kind of accident would have completely demoralized the individual and made him or her useless for the rest of life, all the time thinking about what the problem was. Ramakrishnan thought every calamity is an opportunity, and his own problem, personal difficulty, he converted them into an opportunity for training a large number of people in terms of new skills, new scope, how to overcome their deficiency.
The year 1981, it was declared as the International Year of the Disabled by the United Nations. And I also found many polio children roaming in the village. So I discussed with the doctors regarding this. And in 1981, in the name of my doctor, Air Marshal Amarjit Singh Chahal, we started this institution, Amar Seva Sangam.
Starting with Siva Saraswati Vidyalaya, a kindergarten school only with 5 kids and a teacher, Amar Seva Sangam gradually started growing with support from friends and family and through word of mouth. Orchestrating various other activities like organizing awareness camps on family planning, polio eradication, measles, immunization, etc. Enabling access to education, skill development for the physically challenged in the region were an ambitious dream for a man like Mr. Ramakrishnan, who himself needed support to carry out his day-to-day activities. But his physical challenges could not deter him. He was determined to live to serve. Words had spread via TV channels, magazines and newspapers, and Mr. Ramakrishnan started several schemes, traveling places to meet people for mobilizing more funds to expand his organization. Mr. Ramakrishnan cannot thank enough for the immense support he received during his initial days of struggle for fundraising, be it Ramachandran, the taxi driver of Chennai, or the famous author and activist Shiva Shankari, or Sulochana Srinivasan of Mumbai, who went to great lengths to raise funds to buy a land for Amar Seva Sangam. The list is endless. However, he admits the greatest pillars for his achievements are undoubtedly his parents and siblings, who always stood beside him, supporting unconditionally against his every decision. In 1994, he tied knot with Mrs. Lakshmi, who has been an important part of his personal life, bringing solidarity for the cause of disabled to lead family life. However, meeting Mr. Shankara Raman in 1991 and his decision to join Amar Seva Sangam was a major turning point for Mr. Ramakrishnan.
He had visions and dreams for creating a valley for the disabled people, which was a concept which amazed me a lot.
In spite of being wheelchair user due to muscular dystrophy, Mr. Raman's visionary quality along with his organizational skills took Amar Seva Sangam to phenomenal heights. Together, Mr. Ramakrishnan and Mr. Raman created the Valley for the Disabled in the region, fighting all odds. Today, Amar Seva Sangam has an impressive array of work that it does in the field of disability management. Lined up with extraordinary initiatives, the organization is currently spread over a 30-acre land with home for physically challenged children with free shelter, food, education, clothing, barrier-free environment, Sangamam School for Special Children, vocational and distant learning centers for the specially challenged youths, Orthotics Center for manufacturing and repairing of mobility aiding appliances, Spinal cord injured post-acute care center, Early intervention center for the infants for rehabilitation. The team has also devised various village-based initiatives for the rehabilitation of the disabled by creating grassroots level institutions known as self-help groups involving the differently abled communities itself. This would have never been possible without Mr. Ramakrishnan's endeavor.
ஒரு 27 வருஷமாக சர்வீஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார். இந்த ஏரியா மக்களுக்கெல்லாம் நல்லா உதவி பண்ணி எல்லாம் செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இதை வச்சு 500 குடும்பம் 1000 குடும்பம் நல்லா பிழைச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
मेरे जैसे हजारों लोगों को एक सहारा और उम्मीद दे रहे हैं.
ராமகிருஷ்ணன் சார் மாற்றுத்திறனாளிகளுக்கு கடவுள் மாதிரி.
His simple approach and commitment has helped the organization to benefit large number of beneficiaries over the past 30 years.
He has been doing wonders. I was moved. He is a man on wheels, but he is moving people. And I'm one of those people who have been moved by his action.
Mr. Ramakrishnan's ability to create a big network of people and personalities is possible because of his compassionate approach for the various activities.
The fantastic work of Mr. Ramakrishnan has not gone unnoticed. In January 2020, Mr. S. Ramakrishnan was conferred with the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in the Republic of India, for his contribution towards the society. He has also been appreciated with numerous awards from time to time, honored as a human wonder, recognized with the Unstoppable Indian Award and many other accolades. A hero who has transformed thousands of lives, who still stays humble, silently moving ahead.
We have full faith in God. God has been guiding us in the right path all the time.